Bhairav or Satyanarayana, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, we are an account receivable, right? In the previous class, we have seen the configuration for one-time customers, right? So today we will see the posting of purchase and sales invoices in the one-time customer account. So posting of purchase sales invoice, just to take up the word purchase. Posting of sales invoice in one-time customer account. Within brackets, in one-time customer account. F-22. Document date is 26/10/2022. 26/10/2022. Type is DR. Company code SSKV. Posting date 26/10/2022. Period 7. Currency INR. Posting is 01. Account. Here we have to enter the one-time customer account number. Oh, I think we did not create the one-time customer account, right?
Step 4 is missing, sir.
Sorry?
Step 4 is missing.
Did not get you. Oh, what is the step you have completed in one-time customer account previously?
Yes, yes. Step 4 you have not shown us.
Okay. We have to start from the step number 4, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Sorry. So creation of one-time customer account. Transaction code XD01. Account group is equal to select SSKX. Account group is equal to SSKX. Within brackets, one-time customer account. Within brackets, one-time customer account group. Company code is equal to SSKV. Click on enter. Title is equal to company. Name is equal to SSKV, one-time customer account. Country is equal to IN. Country is equal to IN. Click on company code data. Reconciliation account is 2,125,000. Sort key 022. Within brackets, one-time name and city. Within brackets, one-time name and city. Click on Payment Transactions tab. Terms of payment 0001. Click on Save. See, one-time customer account has been created with this number. Then, posting of sales invoice F-22 within brackets one-time customer account. Document date is 26/10/2022. Type is DR. Company code SSKV. Posting date 26/10/2022. Period 7. Currency INR. Posting is 01. Account is 123465, 123465, 6998. Account is equal 123465, 6998. Within brackets, one-time customer account. Click on enter. Now you need to enter the customer details. Title is equal to company. Name is equal to Raz and Company. City is equal to Hyderabad. City is equal to Hyderabad. Now click on enter. From now onwards, as usual. The amount is 25,000. Business area SSKV. Payment terms 0001. Baseline date 26/10/2022. Text being goods sold. Posting fee 50. The account is 3 lakhs. Sales account. Click on enter. The amount is asterisk. Business area SSKV. Text plus. So let us assume that you sold goods to another one-time customer. So let us post one more invoice for the one-time customer account. It is not there in the material. You can post one more invoice. Document procedure is same. Document date is 26/10/2022. Type is DR. Company code SSKV. Posting date 26/10/2022. Period 7. Currency INR. Posting key 01. Account is one-time customer account number. Click on enter. Title is equal to company. Name is equal to Ram and Company. City Chennai. Country IN. Click on enter. The amount is 30,000. Business area SSKV. Payment terms 0001. Baseline date 26/10/2022. Text being goods sold. Posting fee 50. The account is 3 lakhs. Click on enter. The amount is asterisk. Business area SSKV. Text plus. Click on save. So at the time of posting to one-time customer account only, the user need to enter the customer details. Next. Check customer line item display. Within brackets, one-time customer account. Within brackets, one-time customer account. Transaction code FBL5N. Customer account is 123465. Customer account is 123465, 6998. Company code is equal to SSKV. Select to open items. Opened key date 26/10/2022. Layout is one SAP. Click on execute. See, there are two open items. 25,000 invoices to be received from the customer, Raz and Company, Hyderabad. Then 30,000 is to be received from the customer, Ram and Company, Chennai. Here, the line items are maintained according to customer name and city. Because for this one-time customer account, you have given the sort key 022. Remember, it is compulsory that for the one-time customer account, we have to maintain the sort key either 022 or 023. Now let us assume that the customer Razan Company Hyderabad has paid the 25,000 invoice, right? Let us see how to post. Posting of incoming payment. Transaction code F-28 within brackets one-time customer account. One-time customer account. F-28. Document date is 26/10/2022. Type is DZ. Company code SSKV. Posting date 26/10/2022. Period 7. Currency INR. Under bank data, account is 2,101,000. Business area SSKV. The amount is equal to 25,000. Text being payment from Razan Company. Payment from Razan Company. Under open selection, one-time account is under open selection. Account is 123,465 6998. Click on process open items. Procedure is as usual. Keep the cursor on amount entered. Double click on invoice amount. Click on save. Now, display one-time customer account line items. FBL 5N. Customer is 123,465 6998. Are you getting any cracker sounds?
Yes, little bit.
Okay, little bit. I want to check whether the Zoom app is filtering the sounds or not. That's the reason. Okay. Customer account is 123,465 6998. Company code SSKV. Select to open items. Opened key date 26/10/2022. Layout is on SAP. Click on execute. See, there is only one open item that is to be received from the customer, Ram and Company Chakra. This is one-time customer account functionality. Then, configuration for cash discount paid. In the case of accounts payable, when you make the payment to vendors within the stipulated time, if the cash discount is there, we get the cash discount from the vendor. That is called cash discount receipt. Similarly, in the case of account receivable, when the customers make the payment within stipulated time, sometimes you may have to use some discount. It is based upon the payment terms you give to the customer. So when you pay that cash discount to customer, that is called cash discount paid. And the cash discount paid is also to be separately displayed in the P&L account. That's why, right, we have to configure for cash discount paid. Already, we have created on payment terms, right? If you go to the payment terms screen, see, we have created on payment terms with the discount terms, right? Then, for this payment terms, we have selected customer and vendor. We have selected customer and vendor, right? Means the same payment terms can be used for customers also. So it is not necessary to create the payment terms again. First, let us create the GL account, cash discount paid. Transaction code FS00. GL account is equal to 4,375,000. This I am taking as part of administration cost. GL account is 4,375,000. Company code SSKV. Go to menu GL. It was already created. Let us use 4,370,000. Let us take the number 4,370,000. GL account is 4,370,000. Company code is equal to SSKV. Go to menu GL account create. The account group is administration cost. Select P&L statement account. Short text is equal to cash discount paid account. GL account long text is also cash discount paid account. Then go to control data tab. Account currency INR. Select only balances in local currency. Select line item display. Sort key 001. Then go to create bank interest tab. Field status group G001. Click on save. Now you have to assign the cash discount paid account for automatic postings. Assign the GL account cash discount paid for automatic postings. Transaction code OBXI. Chart of accounts is equal to SSKV. Click on enter. See, transaction SKT means cash discount expenses. Cash discount expenses means paid. Cash discount paid is called cash discount expenses. Click on save. The account is 4,370,000. Click on save. Then let us post one sales invoice, F-22. Now for this sales invoice, you have to assign this payment terms, SSKV. Document date is 26/10/2022. Type is DR. Company code SSKV. Posting date 26/10/2022. Period 7. Currency INR. Posting is 01. Account is 2276, customer account. Click on enter. The amount is 10,000. Business area SSKV. Look at the screen. Here, the payment terms was already defaulted here because this payment terms 0001 we have assigned in the customer master record. As a result, at the time of posting the invoice to this customer, every time the payment terms is defaulted. So why did we assign this payment terms in the customer master record? Because remember, master record always contains the permanent data, right? So this customer always makes the payment immediately. Or you can say that the company wants the payment always from this customer immediately. That's why we assign the payment terms to each. But even though the company wants the payment always immediately from this customer, only for this particular invoice, we are giving SSKV payment terms, right? In that case, we can remove it and we can enter SSKV payment terms in. Suppose, if you are giving this SSKV payment terms always to this customer, that can be assigned in the customer master account. Okay. So payment terms is equal to SSKV within brackets. Payment terms with the discount terms created in accounts payable. While defining that payment terms, we have selected customer also. We have selected customer checkbox also. So the same payment terms. Can be used in account receivable also. Can be used in accounts receivable also. Okay. Now other things as usual. Text being goods sold. Posting key 50. Account is 3 lakhs. Click on enter. See, it is giving one warning message. Terms of payment change in check. So here we have assigned the payment terms to be 0 in the master record, no? But we assign the payment terms for the document SSK. That's why the system wants to verify whether you are changing the payment terms intentionally or by mistake. Here we change the payment terms intentionally, right? So you can ignore the warning message. Do one thing. Click on enter is there, no? After that, write down. Ignore the warning message. Ignore the warning message. The amount is asterisk. Business area SSKV. Text plus. Click on save. Now, posting of incoming payment. F-28. Document date is 26/10/2022. Type is DZ. Company code SSKV. Posting date 26/10/2022. Period 7. Currency INR. Under bank data, account is 2,101,000. Business area SSKV. The amount is 9,700. Within brackets. Invoice amount minus cash discount 3%. Minus cash discount 3%. As defined in the payment terms. As defined in the payment terms. Text being payment from customer. Text being payment from customer. Under open selection, account is 2276. Click on process open. Look at the screen. The system has taken the right? 300 rupees as cash discount. How? Here, actually, invoice amount is 10,000, right? But we have received the amount 9,700. So the difference of 300 is basically payment difference. So how the system knows that this 300 rupees payment difference is a cash discount? Because in the customer master record, tolerance group blank, right? Now we have defined one blank tolerance group in accounts payable. So in this blank tolerance group, we have given the permitted payment difference 1,000. Means if the payment difference up to 1,000, system takes that as a cash discount paid or cash discount received. Clear? Now, clearing procedure is same. Keep the cursor on amount entered. Double click on invoice amount. Click on save. Account determination are different for the transaction BSK. Somebody had changed the system default. Let me check. I will check from where the error is coming tomorrow. I will let you know. Okay. Now let us post the payment again. Now, see, SBI current account is debited with 9,700 posting key part. Then Rahul and company is credited with invoice amount, posting key 50. Posting key 15 means paid for customer for incoming payment, right? Then cash discount paid is debited with 300, posting key part. Right? Now, write down one sentence here. Above this sentence, write down one more sentence. Double click on blue line item. Double click on blue line item. Text being cash discount paid. A concept. Now, the next topic is sales returns, customer credit memo. See, as in the case of accounts payable, we have the purchase return, right? Then in account receivable, we have the sales returns. So as per the agreement, if the goods supplied by us are not up to the quality standards, right? Customer are entitled to return the goods to us. They are called sales returns. So when you post the sales returns in the system will post an accounting document with the document type DG. That's why we have to define the number ranges for the document type DG. Transaction code OBA7. Click on position. Document type is equal to DG. Click on enter. Select DG document type. Click on details button. See the number range number 16. So if you notice that this number range number 16 was also assigned for DA. So already for DA, we have defined the number ranges with the number range number 16, right? So the same number ranges are applicable to document APDG. So it is not necessary to create the number ranges again for the document type DG. This I have clearly written in the notes. Note that the number range for DG document type also is 16, which has already been defined for DA earlier. So no need to define the number ranges again. Now let us post the sales return, F-27. Document date is 26/10/2022. Type is DG. Company code SSKV. Posting date 26/10/2022. Period 7. Currency INR. Posting key 11. Within brackets. Trade for customer. Just a minute. Yes. Posting key 11. Trade for customer. For credit number. Just a minute. Yes, I'm sorry. So posting key 11, credit for customer for credit memo. The account is 2277. Click on enter. The amount is 5,000. Business area SSKV. Text being goods returned from customer. Goods returned from customer. Posting key 40. The account is 3 lakhs. Actually, sales returns of GL account is to be debited. So you have to create one GL account, sales returns account, right? That account has to be created, debited. Instead of creating the sales returns account, I'm debiting sales account itself. But normally in real time, sales returns account is debited and that sales returns is reduced from the sales. Instead of creating a new GL account, I'm using sales account only. We can do anything in the training, no issues. Click on enter. The amount is as this. Business area SSKV. Text plus. Click on save. Then dunning. This is altogether a new program. So this dunning configuration has to be done at a stroke, right? We cannot stop in between the explanation and the configuration. This will start in tomorrow's class. Any questions?
Sir, this is Joshna, sir.
Tell me, Josna.
Sir, can we adjust the invoice, purchase invoice against the sales invoice against the purchase invoice, sir, of the same company?
Yes.
If XYZ as
Like this, the scenario is like this. Suppose XYZ Limited is there, right?
yes,
He is your customer and also he is your vendor.
yes, sir.
In that case, we can adjust the purchase invoice of the same vendor with the sales invoice of the same customer.
Yes.
That is quite possible, right?
Where we
So
can
I will send you one video on this to all of you, right?
okay.
So some of the topics are also there. How to process the bank charges, right? And the TDS on section 194C, TDS payable and contractors. So
Yes, sir.
all these topics are not yet covered here. So I have prepared some videos on that. So I will send you those videos. Don't worry.
Sure.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, then see you tomorrow.